What is Google Bard AI Chatbot? Google Bard AI Chatbot is a collaborative generative AI chatbot. It is powered by an optimized version of LaMDA. It assists in brainstorming, explaining concepts, and outlining blog posts. It can generate multiple response drafts. It utilizes Google Search for reliable information. It connects to live internet for up-to-date data. And it learns from user feedback for improvement. Google Bard is an AI model developed by Google. It uses deep learning algorithms called large language models to offer answers to text prompts. It is designed to offer up-to-date answers using information from the web. It can change the way we search for information and use search engines. It presents in-depth answers to open-ended questions, distilling complex information and multiple viewpoints into an easy-to-digest format. Google Bard facilitates collaboration with generative artificial intelligence. It is a new innovation in the stream of artificial intelligence by tech titan Google. It is designed to generate high-quality, human-like text based on a given prompt. It uses next-generation and improved Google's language model for dialogue applications, LaMDA, to draw responses. How to use Google Bard AI Chatbot. Google Bard makes your life easier. You can use it to get answers to your questions. Just ask the chatbot a question and it will use its advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to give you accurate and relevant answers. Google Bard can help you find information on a variety of topics, from weather forecasts to sports scores. Google Bard can perform various tasks, such as booking flights or ordering food, without requiring you to do it manually. It helps you keep track of your schedule, reminders, and to-do lists, making sure you never forget an important task. It can interact with other humans, whether through group chats or one-on-one conversations. You can open the Google app on your device and tap the chatbot icon if you've been selected as its tester. You can start asking questions or requesting information, and the chatbot will do the rest work. Advantages of Google Bard. Google Bard AI Chatbot generates multiple response drafts to user prompts, allowing you to select the most suitable response, pose additional questions, or request more options. Google Bard utilizes sources from Google Search to produce responses, resulting in relevant and dependable content across diverse domains and topics. Bard's connection to the live internet permits access to up-to-date information. The chatbot can learn from user feedback, continuously improving its performance through data accumulation and experience. Google Bard is a user-friendly interface that is easy to use and understand. It can integrate with Google services and products, making it a natural choice for users who already use Google. It can provide users with specific answers to questions, which is ideal for those looking for quick and concise information. Disadvantages of Google Bard. Google Bard AI Chatbot could be more flawless and produce errors or false information with high confidence. It can mirror real-world biases and stereotypes in the data it learns from. This can result in inappropriate or offensive responses that could negatively impact certain groups or individuals. Google Bard can't replace human judgment or professional expertise is crucial. Users should verify the information provided by Bard and employ critical thinking skills to assess its quality and relevance. Google Bard AI Chatbot has limited functionality compared to more advanced language models like ChatGPT. It sometimes offers inaccurate information or omits important details. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.